It's an RS. Pagani Mercy. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're somewhere pretty familiar. I know I said I wouldn't keep coming back, but there's something I wanted to go see, so.
Now that pointless shit is done, we can get to the pointless shit we're all here for.
I figured, because I saw the Mario. Oh dude, that's a pretty wild little Mini Cooper with the orange. It's kind of a golf spec. And there's a Cilindri there, which we've already seen, but I didn't get much footage of it when we saw it, so we're gonna go see that, you guys. So, tell me in the comments, Cilindri or SFX90? I already know what the answer is, but SFX90 or the Mario.
I guess that just leaves one score to settle.
You can't hurt me.
Then let this be our final battle.
Okay guys, enjoy.
Okay guys, just before we start, I want to chuck in a shameless self-promotion here. Remember, I now have merch. I've lowered the prices to very good, affordable prices for you guys. The t-shirts are around 25 bucks, box hoodies are about 40, and then the high-end stuff's a little bit more, but it's affordable. So check it out, you guys, see which one you like, link will be in the description. And if you want to make a one-time donation to the channel and help support the Monterey trip, please feel free to drop a donation. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. Thank you. Now back to the video.
Okay guys, here it is. The 12 Cilindri, the Done Loche Cilindri. I can't pronounce it, but it's really nice. We saw this at the debut event, so we're gonna go inside real quick. They're gonna come out and shoot this because it's outside. I'm gonna use my 70 by 200 and get some good shots of it. Okay, I don't care what anybody says. This looks incredible. Look at the carbon fiber on the diffuser. Dude, this is sick. Let me polarize it for you there. Love the angles. It's really, really, really nice. The wheels I really like. You could wrap the back and the front black parts if you wanted to, but I don't think it needs it. Then we got a pair of Sangue. There's a couple of more special things out front. Or inside, we'll go see. Okay guys, Ferrari. One of the Holy Trinity V12 with the Kerr system. Now this one we've already seen when we went to the auction at Dare to Dream, so I'm not gonna really, I can't get any footage of it because of the ropes, but just wanted to come see it, pop in. It's pretty nice. Also, this is the second hypercar I've ever seen on the road, and I saw it twice, so I'll try to find the footage and put it here. Okay guys, Ferrari, one of the Holy Trinity. The other car that we thought was gonna be here is not here. So we're gonna go out in front and shoot the 12 Cilindri, you guys. Okay. Okay guys, and we're back with the 12 Cilindri. So the last hurrah to the V12 Grand Tour of the Ferrari series. Revs to 9,500 RPM. Absolutely insane, you guys. So I'm gonna get some shots of it with my 70 by 200. And okay guys, enjoy the 12 Cilindri. Dude, that's psycho. Okay guys, start up on the 12 Cilindri. We're gonna get it driving. Sounds really good. Cilindri is driving. First footage. It looks so good. Yeah, I'm hooked. I like it a lot. It looks amazing on the street. up on the Sangway. Nero Sangway is that color, so it's like black with the red. So nice. Sick. We've been in a straight pipe one of those. Or there was an R2. Just waiting for the 12 Cilindri to come back. Doluce Tel Swim. I can't pronounce the.
I won't need my high school diploma anymore. I am too smart. I am too smart. I am too smart. I am too smart. Esta Marchi.
Thought this was pretty cool, you guys. 2 generations of the Ferrari Big 5. So the Enzo, which I've been for a ride in, not that one, but been for a ride in one, and then a La Ferraris. Then I went F50, F40, 288 GTO, started it all off. So pretty sick, you guys. Okay guys, this purple Carrera S is insane. It's got the houndstooth interior. That is so nice. And yet again, the British Racing Green 296 is really nice. Okay guys, so now we saw the black Koenig special, but now we've seen the white one that we got to shoot thanks to Teva Motors. He has the red Diablo, so I guess this is ready for pickup and has been serviced now.
That's what she said.
But 2 different Koenig Special SLs, that you don't see every day. But I love this Skyline. It's pretty sick. The tech art's still over there. But yeah, you guys. And this turbo with the roof wheels is stunning. But I only really came here for the Cilindri. I'm not gonna keep shooting inside the FAF parking lot, but wow. Dude, this purple 992 with the houndstooth is so nice. That spec is literally perfect. The purple with the houndstooth. Oh yes, dude. Mercy Lago. First gen. There's the Mercy again. Obviously you can't see it. There's the Pagani right there. Purple Pagani. Oh. Okay guys, we're doing rollers with the 12 Cilindri. Sick. Thank you to Antonio. Shots by Antonio in the cart and his dad. Sick. It looks really good on the road. I'm hoping to get outside, side shot, front shot. That brake light is cool.
Right back in.
We're gonna pull it beside it.
And there goes the 12 Cilindri.
Yeah, Tommy. Before the Germans get there.
Yeah, it is. Still, looks good. Yeah, gotta give love to the old ones. Sounds really good. 351. one. Good food. There, a raccoon running during the daylight. That is a big McLaren day today. I just missed it, but there's like a souped up GTR AMG right there in red. Maybe we can get him coming out right there. Damn it. I got it. It's got the dive planes, bigger wing. It's back. I don't know if it's the same as the FAF one, but that's a rare color. Irish green. It's got the Sport Classic wheels, but it's really nice. I don't know if it's the same one, but it's really nice. Nissan Z. Dude, oh shit, it's an RS! Oh my god, dude. What the frick? Dude, that's a 964 RS. That's what, about?
I don't know.
I think they're about 8. There it is. No! That's a 930 turbo. What the heck? Is there like a Porsche meet today? Okay guys, my second Volkswagen ID bus. This one's specced out in black, so I guess we're gonna start seeing them more and more, so it's probably the last time I'll see one. Or last time I film one, but yeah, second ID bus. Okay guys, parking lot fine. 2024 Spyder RS, so this is the GT4 RS, but in the Spyder version. Carbon hood, so I think it's Wysock. So it's in all gloss black, so it's actually really nice. The carbon really stands out. So I'm gonna shoot this really quick, last car of the night. It's been kind of slow today, but the Carrera RS, the 993 turbo, and this kind of all in black, which is sick. So I love the Spyder RS, such a beautiful car. Okay guys. The one car that scared the shit out of me. And he's got BBS's on it now. So nice. That car scared the crap out of me.